State Bank of Pakistan always endeavors to facilitate general public and business community for innovative and efficient financial services. Every day, State Bank of Pakistan and its subsidiary SBP Banking Services Corporation receive hundreds of cases with bundles of paper documents for regulatory approvals. These documents are preserved in multiple copies by every stakeholder, from customers to banks and from banks to SBP. This requires extensive logistic services, which give rise to substantial costs, inherent delays, and overheads. To bring efficiency and transparency in the process and to promote ease of doing business in the country, State Bank of Pakistan, under its Knowledge Management Program, is strategized to develop a centralized online platform to prepare, submit, and process the cases. In its Phase 1, digitalization of cases for foreign exchange from banks to SBP was undertaken. The types of cases include approval for outward remittances, foreign investments, foreign loans, government subsidies, acknowledgement of foreign agreements, and international trade. The system has been made simple, standardized, and secure for the users. A front-end portal protected by transport layer security and two-factor authentication provides a ubiquitous access to all the banks. A simple three-step process lets authorized dealers fill up web forms, attach required documents, and submit the case. Every case is assigned a unique number. The system at back end assigns case requests to a dealing officer of SBP based on round-robin algorithm. After due diligence, the case is processed as per applicable laws, rules, and regulations. After processing the case internally, a decision letter is generated by the system and is sent to the bank. The bank can download decision letter from the same portal having a digital signature of SBP. To apprise the stakeholders about progress of the case, system-generated emails are sent to the banker and to the requesting customer. The customers have also been provided visibility through State Bank's website. Enterprise Content Management Engine stores these cases and all related documents, making a case file for every request with ability to search contents. This initiative will increase efficiency and transparency and will promote ease of doing business in the country. It will also result in cost saving from paper reduction, logistics, and administrative efforts to manage voluminous papers. This is the start of a new journey, with first generation of the system meeting most requirements of the industry. In future, the system will be enhanced to include other regulatory departments of SBP and SBP BSC. In Phase 2, banks in Pakistan, in collaboration with SBP, have also developed online portals for their clients, resulting into end-to-end digitalization of the complete process. This new digital ecosystem is a collaborative effort of State Bank of Pakistan, SBP Banking Services Corporation, and the banking sector to facilitate businesses.